A nation on edge to attempts on Trump's life. The year 2024 has been tumultuous for American politics, marked by two chilling assassination attempts on former President Donald Trump. The first incident unfolded in July during a rally in Pennsylvania, highlighting the vulnerability of public figures. The second attempt, a shooting at Trump's golf course in Florida, further shook the nation. A lone gunman, Ryan Wesley Routh, allegedly fired shots towards Trump. The Secret Service swiftly protected Trump and apprehended the suspect. Fortunately, Trump was unharmed in both incidents. These attempts highlight the volatile political climate and dangers faced by public figures. The Secret Service triumph and scrutiny. The Secret Service, tasked with the daunting responsibility of protecting high-profile individuals like former presidents, has faced both praise and scrutiny for their handling of these incidents. In both cases, the agency's swift response undoubtedly played a crucial role in ensuring Trump's safety. The agents' training and preparedness were evident in their immediate actions to secure the former president and neutralize the threats. However, the very occurrence of these attempts raises questions about potential security lapses and whether enough is being done to protect public figures. The incident at the golf course in particular highlights potential vulnerabilities in securing open spaces. Investigations are underway to determine if there were any security breaches or failures that contributed to these incidents. The Secret Service will need to learn from these incidents, constantly adapting their strategies and protocols to address evolving threats. The agency faces immense pressure to ensure the safety of those under their protection, a responsibility made even more challenging in today's unpredictable world. A divided nation, fueling the fire. The assassination attempts on Donald Trump have ignited a firestorm of reactions across the deeply divided American political landscape. Trump supporters, already wary of what they perceive as unfair treatment of the former president, view these events as an attack on their values and beliefs. They point to these incidents as evidence of the growing hostility towards conservative voices and the need for increased vigilance against perceived threats. Conversely, Trump's critics argue that his own rhetoric and actions have contributed to the current climate of division and animosity. They posit that his divisive language and attacks on opponents have created an environment where violence is seen as acceptable by some. These incidents have deepened the existing political chasm, further polarizing an already fractured nation. The attempts on Trump's life serve as a chilling reminder of the fragility of democracy and the dangers of unchecked political polarization. The path forward requires a collective effort to tone down the rhetoric, bridge the divides, and restore civility to public discourse. The AI Watchdog, a new era of security? In an age of rapidly advancing technology, the role of artificial intelligence in security measures is becoming increasingly crucial. AI-powered systems offer a significant advantage in threat detection and prevention, capable of analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying potential risks in real time. These systems can monitor social media for threats, analyze patterns and behaviors to predict potential attacks, and even assist in identifying and tracking suspects. However, the use of AI in security also raises ethical and privacy concerns. The potential for misuse and the implications of mass surveillance need to be carefully considered. Striking a balance between utilizing AI's potential to enhance security while safeguarding individual rights is a challenge that society must address. The assassination attempts on Trump underscore the need for continued investment in AI and other advanced technologies to stay ahead of evolving threats. As technology progresses, the hope is that these advancements can be harnessed to create a safer world without compromising fundamental freedoms. Lessons learned: protecting democracy in a volatile world. The assassination attempts on Donald Trump offer critical lessons for security professionals and society. They highlight the importance of adaptability and preparedness in a world where threats can emerge from any corner. Security protocols must be constantly reviewed and updated to address new risks. A multifaceted approach to security, combining traditional methods with cutting-edge technology, is essential. These incidents remind us of the fragility of democracy and the dangers of political violence. Addressing extremism, promoting civility, and fostering reasoned discourse are essential to safeguarding democratic values.